Enjoy this new day. Gave you another day to live. Take advantage. I want you to smile and laugh. Look at the good things around your life. You are blessed. I never caused you pain. I do not control your choices. I gave you free will. However, talk to me and ask me for help. I will heal you. I will restore you. My child, I am sorry for the pain that people have caused you. I feel the pain with you. I will strengthen you. I will lift you up. I know that you are going through a difficult time. I don't want you to be afraid. I need you to be strong and courageous. You are strong. Trust me. Don't give your fears power. Remember that I am bigger than anything in your life, and that my plans are for you to thrive. You are capable of changing. You are not worthless. I love you. I care about you, and there is always hope. Don't give up. I love you. Like, share, and subscribe the channel.